presented by Reality Maintainer. How to use Nikola Tesla's 369 method, secret code 369, to manifest anything you want faster. You probably heard about the 369 manifesting method circulating on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. But did you know that this method was popularized by Nikola Tesla? According to Tesla, the numbers 3, 6, and 9 are sacred numbers, and you can see them in your daily life. In the popular app TikTok, you can see a lot of manifestation coaches and followers coaching that the 369 method worked for them. In fact, there are 62 million search results just on Google. This method will help you manifest and bring your magic to another level. What about you? Do you have the courage to take a chance on this manifesting method? I have to warn you though, if you're going to do this, you have to make sure that you're ready for it. Because the universe and the forces of nature do not mince words. Are you ready? Step number 1, write it down. The moment you wake up, before you touch your phone and let other influences fill your mind, get a piece of paper and pen and start writing what you want to manifest. Here are some reasons why you need to write it down. Well, writing it down on something tangible such as a piece of paper supercharges the intention. A quick reminder when you write your manifestations. When you manifest, write in present tense, use an adjective, and describe a feeling. Visualize how amazing it would feel as if your manifestation has already happened. Remove all doubts and believe that it's coming. I mean, truly, deeply believe it. Don't doubt it at the back of your mind, or you will be counteracting the positive vibrations with negativity. In this particular method, your manifestation should be 17 seconds long. Here's why. According to Abraham Hicks, American inspirational speaker, author, and law of attraction expert, these 17 seconds is crucial to jumpstart and ignite the vibration of manifestation. During this time of your visualization of 17 seconds, you should never let any distractions and doubt come through. Don't worry, this seems a bit strange at first, but the point of this method is to train your mind. It gets easier over time. Here is an example of a simple manifestation statement. I am grateful and in awe working as a motivational speaker where I make $10,000 a month. I hit all my click rates and quotas, creating content and emails that help people find their life purpose. I make my family happy, and I am so grateful that my team values me and my efforts. Here is another simple example of a manifestation statement. I am so grateful that my love has returned. I feel whole again. Our love will last forever, and together we will build a bright future. Thank you, universe. Write the same statement 3 times every morning. As you write, feel every word vibrating in your system and release them out to the universe. And then enter the space of receiving. Step number 2, repeat your manifestation statement 6 times. In the middle of your day, after you had your lunch, write the same manifestation statement you wrote in the morning for a total of 6 times. The point of this is to maintain the high frequency vibration all throughout the day. After you write them down, read the statement out loud 6 times with passion and feeling. Step number 3, repeat your manifestation statement 9 times before bed. Before you go to bed, write your manifestation again. This time it will be for 9 times. And then read them aloud with feelings for 9 times. At this point, your affirmations will be the last thing on your mind, not your to-do list, or what has transpired throughout the day. This will put you in a high-level receiving vibration when done correctly. Even in your sleep, your brain is programmed to manifest. Here are some tips. You need to train your mind and be in the energy of receiving in order to create the life you desire. By doing so, you're constantly being in alignment with the universe. If you fall back, just get back up and try again. The vibration of receiving is a state when you're all positive and open-minded, and you know in your deepest core that what you ask, you shall receive. Don't look at it as a chore or a burden that you have to carry. Do it happily, or it may counteract your manifestation. When trying to manifest, keep in mind the best is yet to come. At the back of your mind, acknowledge that there's a setup going on behind the scenes. The universe is executing the shift for your new reality. Then, do what you need to do to make things better. Once you get over your fear of change, you just might find that there's something great waiting for you on the other side. What do you think? Are you ready to change your life? What's been holding you back? Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on that notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.